Morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are very fit and fine. Okay, and waiting for EVS class. So, shall I start the class? Everybody is ready? Okay. So, open your book of EVS. Take out chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is food. The name of the chapter is food, and you already have seen 2 classes which is based on this chapter. So, shall I start once again? Okay, everybody is ready? Alright. So, before I starts learning something new, I want to take a small recap. Whatever we have discussed in last 2 classes, I am going to take a small recap of that. Okay, so shall I start? Are you ready? Okay, so open your EVS book, take out chapter number 2, page number 11. Okay, so before it starts, dear students, I want to ask some question to you, because I noticed that you all have seen the 2 classes which is based on this chapter. Okay, so I am going to ask some questions to you. So my question number 1 is that when we feel hungry, what we will do? When we all feel hungry, what usually we all do? We all eat food. Yes, you all are right, correct. See, behalf of the class 2, I am giving the answers, because I am making this video in empty classroom. So I am the questioner and I am the answer. Question भी मैं ही करूँगी, answer भी I will give on behalf of you. Now, food gives us what? Food gives us energy to work and play, and work for your parents and playing for you, because your parents also need energy to do the work. Your mama needs energy to do the household work, to do the domestic works, है ना? Whole day from the morning to the till evening or night, your mama is doing lots of household works. And some mamas, they are working women, they are doing their jobs, they are going to office, है ना? They are helping their husband in their business, in their shop. Some have their own beauty parlors. So everybody doing work for the family. Now, so we all are get energy to work and play by eating food. Play, this word is for you, because you all are children, you all are love to play. Okay. Now, food actually is not only give us energy to work and play. It is help us to grow nicely, because you all are small kids, है ना? And you are growing very faster. So food gives us energy to work and play, and it help us to grow nicely also. Okay. Now, healthy foods keeps us healthy, है ना? In the last video you have seen that food have 3 categories. We can divide food into 3 groups. Number 1, the energy giving food. Number 2, the body building food. And number 3 is protective food. These 3 are the category of the food. We can divide, if we want to understand about the food, we can divide food into these 3 categories. Okay, so energy giving food. Energy giving food means when we will eat these types of fruit, we will get instant energy like potato, sugar, bread and cheese. And body building food means we get strong muscles, we get healthy and fit body by using these food items like fish, milk, eggs and beans. Number 3, protective food. Protective food means to protect our body, human body, from all type of diseases, and these protect our body from diseases. When we will include the all vegetables is in our diet, when we will include the all fruits is in our diet, we will we can keep diseases away, है ना. We can get the our body protect by using all these things. Okay. Now this is all about the last previous 2 classes. Now today we are going to learn about the balanced diet. About the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Up this question is in your mind that what is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? And this question will raise is in your mind. This question is in your mind that, ma'am, if you will present in the classroom, then definitely you will ask this question, ma'am, what is a balanced diet? What is the meaning of this balanced diet? Why this balanced diet is necessary to us? Why this balanced diet is needed to all of us? है ना? All these questions will definitely come is in your mind. Okay. So the balanced diet keeps us healthy better. Balanced diet means we will include the all types of food items at the different time. है ना? Now try to understand the meaning of this line. We will involve all these food items. But all these food items we will not eat at once. No, we can't do like that. Then we can get all these food items but at the different times. अलग-अलग समय पे खाना है. Suppose when you will wake up in the morning, you will have a glass of milk. ठीक है? Then in the breakfast, you can use these sprouts. You can use upma. You can use idli. You can eat poha. है ना? Then in the lunch time, you will eat dal, chawal, and the chapati, curd or buttermilk. These are the milk products you can involve in. And the most important, salad. है ना? And after lunch, after 1 or 2 hours of the lunch, you can take an apple, you can take a banana, you can have all these things. And at the night, you should take a light dinner. है ना? So it means what? It means you involve all these necessary food items, which is all necessary to your body. You include, but you all are eating not together. You all are eating all types of fruits at the different time. Till morning, since morning to till night, you can include all these things is in your diet. So this is the balanced diet. Up. Why balanced diet, or what is balanced diet and why balanced diet is needed? Why balance diet is needed? Why balanced diet is needed? Balanced diet की जरूरत क्यों होती है? Why we should involve this balanced diet is in our diet. So my dear students, when we will involve all the kinds of food, है ना? Sometimes it is seen that most of the students eat only the potato, only the lady finger, है ना? They don't want to drink the glass of milk. They are not interested to have a banana. They are not interested to eat the apple. So, are they having a balanced diet in their routine? No, my dear students. They don't have a balanced diet. So we always should have a balanced diet, because balanced diet keeps us healthy and fit. Ab look at the chart which is given is in your book, a balanced diet chart. This is the balanced diet chart. This is the balanced diet chart. This is all, है ना? And in this chart, there is a picture of a glass of milk. There is a picture of butter. There is a picture of all fruits and vegetables. There is a picture of salad. There is a picture of fish, eggs, bread, and jam. It means all the different food items. Pictures are given is in balanced diet, and the most important picture of the balanced diet is that salad. Salad plays a very important role in balanced diet. Okay. So, after the balanced diet, whatever is written in the book, I am reading for you. Water and salad are plays important part of our diet. Water and salad. I told you in the previous classes also that water plays very important role to digest the food. है ना? We should all have at least 6 to 8 glasses water in a day. So we can digest the food nicely. But this quantity you can involve some more glasses. It is up to you, beta. It is up to you, because nowadays weather is very hot and we all are feeling thirsty. So again and again, we all wants to have the water. We all wants to drink the water. So why is it so? Because the weather is very hot outside. Very hot. है ना? Even cooler and ACs are not working in this weather. है ना? So it is depends on weather condition also. So we can get some more glasses of water. We can include some more glasses of water in our diet. Now number 2, salad. Salad means a kind of roughage. Salad means the onion, the cucumber, the tomato, the radish, the carrot, the beetroot. This is all the mixture of the vegetables and the fruits. And then we can get the salad. Okay. So salad keeps bowel movement proper when we will go to the toilet. If suppose, dear students, if you will involve salad is in your diet, then what will happen? When you will go to the toilet, when you will go to the washroom, then your stomach will clean nicely. You will not face any problem which is related with the stomach. And most of the students are saying that my stomach is aching. My stomach